Hey guys, welcome to the Golden Couch. Today I woke up feeling like chicken wings, but I look in the fridge and there's no chicken wings. So tomorrow, wait, not tomorrow, today actually in this video, we're going to be cooking chicken tenders the way I cook them. Now, I'm no professional by any means, but people like my cooking, so let's get to it. Alright, so we're in the kitchen now. I'm gonna adjust the angle on this camera so you can see what I do. Obviously, you're gonna want some fresh chicken. You're gonna want some bowl of flour. You're gonna want some Lawry's. Lawry's is the shit. Lawry's is the shit. Damn, camera don't know where it's at. I'm bumping the table. I'm sorry. But Lawry's is the shit. You want to get some coarse ground black pepper. I got that from the Kroger. And then you're gonna want some garlic powder. Now, what I do is I sprinkle liberally. I sprinkle a good amount. So here we go. Oh yeah, I forgot. Paprika. That's always good too. Throw a little paprika. I use a little spice, like a soft spice. But here goes the camera. It's going down now. And here we go. All right. So what I do is I go ahead with the Lawry's first because that's the salt. It's gonna penetrate that chicken skin nice. So sprinkle that nice and liberal. I don't go too much on the skin itself because I season the flour itself too. So I go one side, I go that coarse all around. I pop that in like that. Then I do a little paprika. Right? Then I throw a little garlic powder. A little means a lot. Then what I do is I kind of just mix it up with my hands. My hands are clean. I washed them. It's another thing. Wash your damn hands. Dirty ass. Simply, what the hell is that? Well, that's a nerve. We're going to pull that nerve right out of there. Okay, I can't do that. We're going to cook it and cut around it. How about that? Now we're moving on to the flour portion of it. We're going to take the chicken and just dump it in there. That's all I do is just dump it in there. Right? I mix it all up and whatnot. Oh, I'm making a mess. I'm just going to dump it all in there. Right? Then I take them back out, put them on the plate like this. And make sure all that excess is off. You know, so you have like a fair amount showing there, right? Now after this flour is done, you throw this away. You don't want to keep this flour. So I double dip in it and all this other shit. So I do that. Then I season the flour. Right? Why season the flour? So your flour tastes good, bro. Your crisp crust is going to taste fantastic. Put a lot of that in there. Just everything that you put on the chicken, just pop it in there because it's going to have a nice consistent flavor. Paprika, go ahead. A little color. And then I also pepper that. It ain't 11 herbs and spices, but it'll do, right? Then I take one egg and I beat the hell out of it. Oh shit, you can't see that. Take one egg and I beat the hell out of it, right? Then I just drizzle that all over that chicken. And again, I mix it up. There's going to be a layer of flour underneath that, so it's going to have like a double crispiness, hopefully. That's what you want to achieve. So now it's like gooey, battered goodness, right? Make sure you get every piece of that. It's going to have like a weird film, like a gooey egg film, which is nice. It's good. Then you go ahead and dump her again. Give her another dump. Go ahead. Whoop. Another one. Don't be shy. Just dump them all in. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop. And bloop. I make a mess when I cook. I just can't help it. Now, since I'm going to be shallow frying, I'm just going to use this small little cast iron. I don't need too much. Plus, I don't have enough oil. So, there's that. Just go ahead and pour that oil in there. Bloop, 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 bloop. Nice good amount. So you have a nice pool. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Alright, stop. We're going to put that to a high heat for a little bit just to get it going, and then we're going to bring it back down to a medium high heat. And if you're looking at numbers, you're looking off of a 1 to 9, I'd say about an 8. Alright, so now that we're back, I'm going to grab a little bit of water. You sprinkle a little water, and if it sizzles like that, you're good to go. You hear that shit? It's going hard. Alright, so then you want to get the tongs, which I should have had prepared, but I don't. There we go. You grab your tongs. You grab a piece of chicken, you slide that chicken in nice and easy into that oil. Yes. Yes. Here it goes. Another piece. So you do 2 at a time. Oh, shit. There it goes. So I lowered the heat a little bit. We're talking an 8 before. We're talking a 7 now. Maybe a 7.5. Now we're going to let those go for a little bit and turn them. Alright, we've been cooking for a little bit now. And you can see that it's starting to turn golden brown on one side. So we're going to give them a nice little turn. So look at that. Beautiful. Golden brown. I don't know if you can see that. Is that register? It's going to drip, but I don't even care. Let's dunk it. Golden brown. I don't think you can see it. But anyway, I'm going to cook. Now, because these are chicken tenders and there's no bone in them, we don't really need to be too worried about it being undercooked in this situation. But if you do it with bones or anything like that, be sure to cut down to the bone, let some of that oil get in there. If you're unsure, but if you're pretty damn sure, use a meat thermometer or whatever. I kind of just go by ears because that's how I learned. And sometimes they've been underdone, and sometimes they've been overcooked. So just keep an eye on it and really monitor what you're doing. Alright, so now we're about ready to take them out. They seem pretty much done all the way through. They're nice and firm when you press on them. Sometimes that can be a sign that they're overdone actually, but that's okay. Because I have delicious ones right here. I always keep a paper towel handy to dab it. Because even though you're having fried foods, they don't need to be greasy. So just you pat them, and that's way you can get rid of that excess grease, and you'll achieve that crunchiness without it being soggy. It's always a beautiful thing. But look at that. Here I got these 2 of the rest of them I'm going to cook for dinner. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and watching me shallow fry some chicken wings, or chicken tenders actually. I have them cooking right now as we speak. Hopefully it don't burn. I'm just going to try to end this video. Like and subscribe if you did like the video. If you didn't, that's okay. I'll probably have more. I'm definitely going to go on a weight loss journey because this quarantine has had me plump. So again, like and subscribe. I want to keep making videos till the creator tells me I can't. So thank you, and have a good day.